Hello world, it's me, Ben from the IFT community team. At IFT, we believe that devices and services that are connected to the internet simply work better when they work together. I also believe that people work better when they work together, even if that work is being done remotely. Luckily for us, we have Zoom. And luckily for you, Zoom is now on the IFT platform. Today, I'm going to show you a few IFT applets that will help you get more organized around your Zoom meeting notes, focus more on the meeting and less on outside distractions, and hopefully keep your spouse or kids from crashing your Zoom calls. So without further ado, welcome to this week's edition of Building with Ben.
This first Zoom applet triggers every time you create a new Zoom meeting. It then logs that meeting into a Google spreadsheet. The pre-populated columns for that spreadsheet will be topic of the meeting, the agenda, the URL for the meeting, the duration, start time, and end time. I see this as a great place to log meeting notes, which could be very important, especially if you're, say, on a sales call or a client call. Either way, your boss is going to love you for having this type of organization and keeping the one source of truth for all meetings that pertain to the company. This next applet triggers anytime one of my Zoom meetings has commenced. Now, this is a multi-action applet, the first of which is connected to my smart lights from LifeX. These lights are located in the hallway leading to my office. So every time a meeting starts, the lights turn red, similar to the way a stoplight works, letting people know to enter at your own risk. I also have an action that posts to a Slack channel that I share with my wife, letting her know that I'm in a meeting if she's, say, not at home and unable to see the red lights. This will also pause my Sonos and my iRobot if they are playing when the meeting commences. And if I'm going to turn the lights red when a meeting begins, I have to make an applet that will turn the lights green as soon as the meeting is over.
Integrating Zoom with the rest of my smart home has definitely helped my day-to-day work from home operations run much more smoothly. Check out this video where I show you how to keep your home spick and span, even when you've got two furry assistants. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for another edition of Building with Ben.